Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's discuss the properties of logarithms. So the first property is product property of logarithms. The logarithm of the product of positive real numbers is equal to the sum of the logarithms of the factors to the given base. So in symbols, kung isusulat natin siya, the logarithm of m times n to the base b, okay, is now equal to logarithm of m to the base b plus logarithm of n to the base b. So dito, kung mapapansin natin guys, so eto, in-expand natin. Okay, so this is the product property of logarithms. Let's have example 1 and 2. The first example, write each as single logarithm. So, as we observe guys, naka-expanded form siya. So, ibig sabihin, ganito yung given natin, and we will express or write the given logarithm as a single. So, dapat mag-end siya sa ganitong format. Okay? So, number 1, logarithm of 8 to the base a added by logarithm of 5 to the base a. So, following this, so ito ay magiging, since we have same base, applicable dapat sa same base palagi, logarithm of course, 8 times 5, kasi plus siya. So, ibig sabihin, ipag-multiply natin yan. And of course, do not forget the base, which is a. Okay, it's not yet done, since we can still simplify 8 and 5, right? So, this becomes the logarithm of 40, right, to the base a. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple, guys. Next, number 2. So, we have logarithm of x to the base 5 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 5 plus logarithm of y to the base 5. So, following this property, ito ay magiging, sulat ko rito guys, logarithm of, since same naman yung base na yan, sulat natin, and then x times 10 times y. Okay, nasundan ba ako guys? And then the next thing to do, okay, since ito ay, we have variables and we have numerical coefficient or number here, so dapat simplify natin. So this becomes the logarithm of 10xy to the base 5. So, yan yung magiging sagot natin. Okay? Nasundan ba ako guys? Next example. So, dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, sa example number 2, express each logarithm as the sum of simpler logarithmic expressions. So, ito ay, kung mapapansin natin, express sa single lang siya, right? Okay? So, i-expand natin to. So, dito guys, naka-expand siya or written in expanded form, na-express natin as a single logarithm. Okay? So, dito naman, opposite niya. Okay? So, madali lang yan guys. So, we have logarithm, okay, log 5 to the base 2 plus log a to the base 2 plus log b to the base 2. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin doon. Nakuha ba? Okay, next. Number 2. Okay, sa isahin natin. So, we have base 2, right? And then, 4x, right? So, 4x plus the logarithm of 3y to the base 2. Pwede pa ba natin i-simplify ito? Yes. Pwede pa natin i-expand, no? Okay. So, the final answer will be log 4, okay, to the base 2 plus log x to the base 2 plus, ito, expand natin ulit yan. So, 3, and then plus log y to the base 2. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, this will be the answer. Okay? Kapag in-expand natin to. Okay. Let's discuss the second property, which is the quotient property of logarithms. The logarithm of quotient of two positive real numbers is equal to the logarithm of the dividend minus the logarithm of the divisor. So in symbols, kung isusulat natin siya, so the logarithm of m divided by n to the base b is now equal to logarithm of m to the base b is being subtracted or minus logarithm of n to the base b. So, ganun natin siya i-expand. Okay? So, kapag ka naka-expanded form, so, magiging ganito yung format natin kapag sinulat natin or in-express as a single logarithm. Okay. So, tandaan nyo guys. So, kapag quotient property, so minus yan. So, kung mapapansin natin guys, baka magtaka kayo. Sa ibang book, okay, they use the variable x over y and then this will be your a. I mean, yung base natin na A, walang problema yon. Okay? So, same lang sila. Now, let's have example. So, example number 3, write the following as single logarithms. So, number 1, the logarithm of 9 to the base 3 minus logarithm of 27 to the base 3. Okay, so, same base tayo dito. So, ito ay magiging the logarithm of 9 over 27. So guys, kung mapapansin natin dito, ang given natin ay nakasulat sa expanded form and we are tasked to write it as a single logarithm. Okay? And do not forget the base, which is 3. Okay. And since we can still simplify, kung pwede i-simplify, simplify natin. So the logarithm of, so 9 over 27 becomes 1/3, right? And then to the base 3. So that's the answer. Gets? Now, another example. The logarithm of 16 to the base 4 minus logarithm of x to the base 4. So, the logarithm of 16 over x to the base 4. Hindi pwedeng logarithm of x over 16 to the base 4. Okay? So, unahin natin to guys palagi. So, m over n. So, this will be your final answer. Okay. Next, example number 4. Express each as a sum or difference of simpler logarithmic expressions. So guys, kung mapapansin naman natin dito, naka-express siya sa single, no? Single logarithmic expression. So, ang goal natin dito ay i-expand natin yan. Okay. So, number 1, the logarithm of 50 over 3 to the base 7. So, ito ay magiging the logarithm of 50 to the base 7. So, kapag ganito guys, quotient, so minus yan. Of course, same base tayo. Copy nyo lang yan. And then, 3. Okay. So, eto na yung final answer natin. Gets? Okay. Next, another example. The logarithm of 2x over y to the base a. So, following the rule, okay, for the quotient property of logarithms. So, we have the logarithm of 2x to the base a, of course, minus yan, the logarithm of y to the base a. Can we still simplify? Yes. Okay. So, this becomes the logarithm of 2 to the base a plus, kasi guys, ito, expand pa natin yan. Di ba sa product property? So, magiging addition yan. So, plus the logarithm of x to the base a. And then minus the logarithm of y to the base a. So, yan na yung final answer natin sa example number 4 and then number 2. Item number 2. Okay. Nakuha ba guys? Another property which is power property of logarithms. The logarithm of the power of a positive real number is equal to the exponent times the logarithm of the number to the given base. So in symbols, isusulat natin siya as the logarithm of m raised to a to the base b. So kapag meron tayong exponent dito guys, ililipat natin siya sa unahan ng log ng logarithm. Okay, so this is now equal to a times the logarithm of m to the base b. So ganun lang kasimple. Okay, example number 5. Rewrite each expression using power property. So, guys, ito yun. I-apply natin yan. So, dito, for letter A, since ito lang naman siya, guys, we have exponent, ilipat lang natin. So, this becomes 4. Okay. The logarithm of x to the base 2. So, that's the answer. Okay. Next. Letter B, the logarithm of cube root of 5 to the base 2. So first, class, I suggest, i-write natin to, yung cube root of 5 in exponential form, right? So, what is the cube root of 5 or 5 rate, or cube root of 5? Para hindi kayo malito, no? Okay, this becomes 5 raised to 1/3. And then to the base 2. Okay, it's not yet done kasi meron tayong exponent here. So, kapag may exponent tayo, ilalagay natin sa unahan. Ito yon. So, this becomes 1/3 and then log 5. Ito yon to the base 2. So, that's the answer. Nakuha guys? Okay, now, letter C. The logarithm of quantity x plus 3 raised to 1/2 to the base b times 2x. Okay. So, let's have the solution for letter C and letter D. Okay, so letter C muna tayo. For letter C, we have the logarithm of quantity x plus 3, right? Raised to 1/2. And then our base is b. And then times 2x. Okay. So, this is now equal to, yes. So, ito, yung 1/2, ilipat natin. So, 1/2 log, and then write the base b, and then x plus 3. Okay, nasundan ba ako guys? Plus, kasi, m times n, right? So, product yan. So, product property, apply natin yon. Okay. And then, the log, of course, to the base b yan. And then, 2x. Okay. Can we still simplify? Yes, pwede pa ma-simplify, no? Okay, so this is equal to 1/2. And then log, of course, base b yan. And then copy x plus 3. Plus, eto guys, i-expand pa natin yan. And then 2 plus the logarithm of x to the base b. Okay? So, that is the final answer sa letter C. Nakuha guys? Next. Letter D. The logarithm of square root of a plus 2 all over the cube root of a plus 3. Okay, to the base a. Okay, so let's apply the quotient property first kasi, 'di ba? So m over n. Kung pwede natin i-apply yung quotient property tsaka product property, just to simplify, i-apply natin 'yon. Okay. So halo-halo na siya, guys. So the logarithm of, copy mo yung base, and then ito yung m natin, which is square root of a plus 2. Since quotient yan, so this becomes minus the logarithm of cube root of a plus 3. Okay. Next. So naka-radical siya. Express natin into exponential form. So this becomes the logarithm of yung a plus 2, yung square root of a plus 2, this becomes the quantity of a plus 2 raised to 1 half. Kapag square root raised to 1 half. Kapag cube root raised to 1/3. Kapag fourth root raised to 1/4. Okay, do not forget. And then minus, of course, the logarithm of, eto guys, the quantity a plus 3 raised to 1/3 to the base a. Okay. So, dito guys, meron tayong exponent. So, as a rule, using the last property, the power property, ito, ilipat natin. Okay? So, magiging 1 half, and then log a plus 2, and then to the base a. So, do not forget, minus. So, ito rin, yung raised to 1/3 dito guys, sa unahan ng log. Okay, do not forget the base, and then the quantity a plus 3. Okay, so guys, dito, wag kayo marilito. Dapat may parenthesis yan. It makes sense to put the parenthesis kasi ito ay kasama yon, yung a plus 2. Okay, so magkasama sila. So, pwede pa ba natin ma-simplify? So, hindi na, no? So, this will be your final answer. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. Okay, last example tayo. So, dito, kung mapapansin naman natin, guys, naka-expanded form. So, ang goal natin dito ay i-express natin sa single logarithm. Okay. So, we have 3 logarithm of x to the base b plus 2 logarithm of y to the base b minus 1 half logarithms of z to the base b. So, dito guys, as what I mentioned earlier, kung pwedeng i-apply yung product property tsaka quotient property, let's apply. Okay. So, first, etong 3 na to, di ba? That will be your exponent. So, ito ay magiging log, of course, do not forget the base, and then x cube. Okay? So, ito, nilipat ko naman dito. Plus, ganun din to guys. So, log, and then y squared to the base b. Okay, nasundan ba ako? And then minus log z, yung 1 half, lipat natin dito to the base b. Okay. So, it's not yet done. Hindi pa siya naka-single logarithm. Okay, so, same naman sila ng base, right? Why not? Pag-isahin natin sila. And then x cubed. And then y squared. Right? Over. Eto. Kasi, bakit tayo nagkaroon ng over? Kasi minus, right? Okay, very good. So, z raised to 1 half. Okay. Is this your final answer? Okay, very good. Hindi pa, no? Kasi, z raised to 1 half, ito ay magiging square root of z. Very good. Okay. So, the final answer will be the logarithm of x cubed y squared all over square root of z to the base b. Okay? Okay, last example tayo. So, we have exponent, magiging logarithm of quantity x plus 5 raised to 1/4 to the base a plus, may exponent ulit tayo. Yan. So, copy nyo lang yan, guys. Raised to 3/4. Okay, nasundan ba ako? And then, magkapareha sila, guys. Apply natin yon kasi sinusulat natin or in-express natin as a single logarithm. So, this becomes, so, ito ay magiging x plus 5 raised to 1/4 plus 3/4, right? Kasi magkapareha sila, guys. Okay, so this becomes the logarithm of the quantity x plus 5 raised to 1 to the base a. Kasi 1/4 plus 3/4, that is 4/4 or 1. Okay, since hindi na natin sinusulat yung 1, so the final answer will be the logarithm of quantity x plus 5 to the base a. So that is your final answer. Okay, nasundan ba ako, guys? Okay, so kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Again, this is Sir Jello, your math teacher. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.